Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm just going to show you guys a new thing on my website. So once you're on my website, and you're going to want to go to my Fun Stuff tab. On my Fun Stuff tab, currently I have a new website I've been using to make quizzes. It's called ProProf. You make quizzes online. If you'd like to make your own account, you can click here and it takes you to the home page where you can then create your own account, and from there you go and make quizzes. But today I'm going to show you guys quiz I made. This is a history quiz, so anybody can take the quiz. Let's just I'll say myself, say B, and you answer the questions, right? You go through it, which is awesome. It's got multiple choice. There's select the answer, so you can do that as well. Okay. So you can mix up the type of questions. I kind of focused on multiple choice, but see, I got it all right. You get a nice little certificate. You show it off to your friends, But the cool thing as a teacher is you can kind of, add more questions if you want over here. But you can look at generated responses. This thing comes up with responses. It shows me all the last people that have taken this assessment. I can then look into statistics. It shows me the average time, the average score, how many people have taken it, and which ones are the most difficult questions, how long is being spent, and who's getting what right. So it's pretty cool, So again, this is on my Fun Stuff page. Just one of the many things you can check out on my website. So thank you.